Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by registering and finishing KYC, upload PAN, Aadhaar, and a selfie to verify identity. Once done, link your bank using UPI or net banking and approve the mandate so transfers are instant. Make sure you activate the equity segment. That unlocks share buying. Download and sign into the Upstox app, set a secure PIN, and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Do this first because payment linking and segment activation are prerequisites for placing live orders. You now find the stock using its symbol, then review the live last traded price and order book to sense liquidity. Next, choose an order type, market for immediate execution, limit to control price, stop-loss variance for protection, and enter the quantity you want to buy. Before sending the order, check required margin, expected brokerage and GST, and confirm your available funds. If the price is volatile, prefer limit orders. Otherwise, a market order executes instantly, but may slip. You finish by reviewing the order summary, price, QTY, and charges, then tap Buy and watch the Orders tab for confirmation. Once executed, manage the position, place stop-loss and target orders to automate exits or manually exit when your plan signals. For delivery trades, shares settle on T+2. For intraday, square off before market close or enable auto squared off. If an order fails, check your UPI mandate, available balance, and whether the stock is under a market halt. Then retrade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.